How to fix DeepSeek AI app not working. So you might be in this position because your application is not up to date. In order to update it, head over to your app store. In the search bar, search for DeepSeek AI. Head over to this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and this might be one of the reasons that you're having the issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the latest version of the app, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General, head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, search for the application DeepSeek AI and then move into it. In this page, what you want to do is tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application and also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. But if you're still having the issue, then what you want to do is try uninstalling the application and then reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has fixed the issue. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix DeepSeek AI app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.